How to fix AirPods one side not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and check the battery of your AirPods. To do that, put both AirPods in the charging case for at least 15 to 30 minutes and then open the case near your iPhone to verify that both AirPods are charging. Go ahead and further clean your AirPods as sometimes the AirPods might not be clean for the reason why you are not being able to use the other side of your AirPod. So check the speaker mess for airwax or debris and gently clean it with a soft, dry, lint-free cloth or a soft brush. You can then go ahead and reconnect your AirPods. So place both your AirPods in the charging case and then close the lid for 30 seconds. Further, open the lid and reconnect them to your iPhone and see if that helps. If not, then launch the settings application on your device and then tap on Bluetooth and then on your AirPods name. Further, go ahead and disconnect it. So to do that, tap on the eye icon you see there and then go ahead and tap on the forget this device option. So further, forget the device and then reconnect your AirPods again and see if that helps you in fixing your issue. If not, then you might need to reset your AirPods. So put both your AirPods in the case and then keep the lid open. Further, press and hold the setup button on the back of the case for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber and then white. Further, you can reconnect the AirPods to your device again, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If not, launch the settings application again and then tap on the accessibility option there. Further, scroll down and you will see the option for audio and visual. So tap on the audio and visual option and then go ahead and navigate to the balance tab and make sure the balance slider is centered. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix AirPods one side not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.